omukoro gugukorirwa hari Kampala Kingdom Hotel kandi Professor Mondo Kagongyera na Agacencwire okora kubo mashomera hanshonga yo butagira sente zirikumara okubahwera kutambuza ebyobwegese omu mashomero.
If people in organization don't have discipline, they have no order, and therefore the results of what they are trying to do are minimal or absent. So the important thing was about discipline. Why? Teachers were absenting themselves from school, and there was no accountability. Even children, and you can't blame the children. Children don't know why they should be educated.
Omukoro gugushirweho no wabirehe inganzi y'ihanga hakana Rugunda hamwe na nebindi bukaka okurwa muri gavumenti hamwe na Kigezi.
Gavumenti negezeho kukikoraho kureba ngo amashomero na Ministry ya Education na Gavumenti twekiriza na kintu ekya fees.
Echo kubanza no kureba ngo twatekaho omutima kugira ngo abana bashome bahike kandi kugira ngo bahike shiretenga ba master behireyo shiretenga n'abana bine discipline.
Mukuru w'ishomero rya Kigezi High School muri Kabare owabari aha mukoro yaragana so kugumizamo na n'umusinjo gwashikize Kigezi High School ahero bwa hati.
See a lot of academic progress. We have our strategies as a school, and we are using teaching as a tool to move the school forward. We are offering quality education.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.